Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 21st of November 2018. Today is half-day trading for the US as they head into the biggest holiday of the year, Thanksgiving. Tomorrow the markets will be closed. The next Market Alert will be probably Monday, as it will take into account the two half days and the market being closed. We still have the electronic market, of course, that is now available during these sort of holidays, which of course is a fairly new thing. Everything used to close, but that's how things are in the 21st century. No sleeping. It's a case of getting on and letting the markets trade, and we've seen that with the likes of Bitcoin 24/7, and I would imagine that all markets will head this way at some point. Anyway, back to the activity here. Brexit still dominating. May off to Brussels today to meet Juncker. I think his name is Juncker the Drunker. He tends to have a bit of a proclivity for a few bevies, according to the media. Anyway, see what happens there. She's hoping to get this deal signed off, and we'll see what happens. Unless, of course, the numbers get to the 48 letters for the 1922 committee to show their lack of confidence in the leadership. So anything could happen during the next few days. That's certainly for sure. But at the moment, the pound trying to work its way back. Got into a bit of a sideways move here at the moment. Obviously waiting to see if this deal is going to be done. Market moving higher initially off the 200 bar moving average. Blew out just at the 20-point area. We just draw this in, and you can see there, just got to it, and then the market reversed and put in a sell signal, and then we had a bounce, market coming off the lows on this one, eventually breaking back above the 200 bar moving average twice, and then moving higher back up to the scalp area of the previous buy signal. And there you can see a double top resistance. No increase in volume at this level, which I thought there would have been. But then the market were working its way back down with all of the posturing and whatever about and vacillation with regards to the Brexit deal. At the moment, the pound trying to move back to the upside. 200 bar moving average is going to be in the way, as is the DP, the level there. And news for today. So we're going into Thanksgiving, so don't expect much from the US. We've got one US news item, high impact. That's going to be durable goods. Like I say, the markets really aren't taking much notice now of these economic news items. They used to be the foundation of market moves, but now there's so much other news with the advent of social media and so on that it just doesn't really take any note, and because the manipulation that they've got at their disposal now with computer algorithms, the news items really are secondary, which is a shame, because it used to be great. You could sit and wait for a news item and then trade it and make a few quid off the volatility, but those days seem to have disappeared at the moment. The Dow down through the 76% retracement yesterday. Weakness still in this market. Needs to hold above this 24,120 level, 24,120. Failing to do this, we'll see the market move lower. Where would it move lower? Well, you've got 23,989 down at this level. Also, the 76% retracement here at 24,352 off the all-time high. Off this low to the high. So we'll see. There's a few more lows in the way here that go back to the beginning of the year, but this market struggling to actually show any profit for the year, which must be really upsetting some of the bankers' bonuses at this time. And in the 5-minute chart for yesterday, the market down initially, bouncing back, 50 bar moving average getting in the way. Get a retracement there, it's about 38%. Double top across here, 76% retracement here, and the market moves lower once more. Another sell signal there, and then the market bouncing back to the 50 bar. So the 50 bar dominating yesterday as opposed to the 200 bar in the Dow there, and prices have turned around and started moving higher on the overnight. We're now at a crucial area here of trying to break through the 200 bar moving average. Watch the DP level as prices move to the upside as well. We're going to do the best to do this, to go out on a high note into Thanksgiving as well. So don't be surprised if this market goes up today, and also profit taking from yesterday's move to the downside as well, which would be perfectly natural there. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, another down day yesterday. A lot more volume now, a bit of a bounce coming off this market here. Let's just get rid of all of these lines here. So looking at this, we've got a nice shakeout in this market. And no doubts about this market now looking like it could find some sort of stability there for the Bitcoin market and all other cryptocurrencies as well. Interesting price action here, the market coming off the low, and like I say, that volume there very high as well. And again, you can see this testing here in the 4-hour chart, and if you go into a smaller time frame, you will see the buying here as well, as the market was forced down and then reversed to bring the market back there. And that's it for this one. If there is anything else to report, I will let you know. But like I say, Thanksgiving just around the corner, and the markets will be fairly quiet. It is bigger than Christmas, as I've mentioned many times before, so keep this in mind. And yeah, many traders making a long weekend of it. So again, see you on Monday. Any of those that are watching in the US, have a great Thanksgiving. And if there's anything else to report, I will let you know, but I would imagine it's going to be fairly quiet. And with that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.